In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscription on Google Play Store. If you've ever tried to cancel from inside an app and couldn't find the option, don't worry, that's normal. On Android, subscription management happens in the Google Play Store, not in the app itself. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect after you cancel. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and tap your profile icon. This is the circular avatar that shows your account. From the menu that appears, choose Payments and Subscriptions. On the next screen, tap Subscriptions. This is where all of your active and past subscriptions tied to your Google account are listed. Find the subscription you want to cancel and tap it to open the details page. Here, you'll see information like the next billing date and plan. To stop future charges, tap Cancel Subscription. Google will guide you through a brief confirmation flow. You may be asked to select a reason for canceling, just choose the one that fits, and then confirm your decision. That's it. Your subscription will be set to end on the date shown, and you won't be billed again. A few important notes to keep in mind. Uninstalling the app does not cancel the subscription. You have to cancel it through the subscriptions menu in the Play Store, exactly as we just did. After canceling, you'll still have access to the subscriptions features until your current billing period ends. That means if you paid for a month and cancel halfway through, you can continue using it for the remainder of that month. When the period ends, access stops automatically and future charges won't happen. Here are some quick tips to avoid confusion. If you don't see the subscription you're looking for, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account in the Play Store, especially if you use more than one. Check the next billing date shown on the subscription screen so you know precisely when your access will end. You'll typically receive an email from Google Play confirming the cancellation, which is a good record to keep. And if you change your mind later, you can usually resubscribe from the same subscriptions page or from the app's listing in the Play Store. That's the whole process. Simple, precise, and done through the Play Store. Follow these steps anytime you need to stop future billing while keeping access until the end of your paid period.